What is the largest integer whose cube is less than 10,000? So first we can narrow down the range. So the 20 cubed is equal to 8,000 and 30 cubed is equal to 27,000. So 8,000 is less than 10,000 and 27,000 is more than 10,000. So we know it's somewhere in between 20 cubed and 30 cubed. So then we test it out. So 20 cubed is equal to 8,000. 21 cubed is equal to 9,261. And 22 cubed is equal to 10,648. And 9,261 is less than 10,000, and 10,648 is more than 10,000. So that means the largest integer whose cube is less than 10,000 would be 21 cubed. Number theory problem 1.19. How many integers between 1 and 100 are perfect powers? So first, let's do n to the power of 2. Two to the power of 2 is 4. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. 4 to the power of 2 is 16. 5 to the power of 2 is 25. 6 to the power of 2 is 36. 7 to the power of 2 is 49. 8 to the power of 2 is 64. And 9 to the power of 2 is 81. So then we can do n to the power of 3. Two to the power of 3 is 8. 3 to the power of 3 is 9 times 3, which is 27. 4 to the power of 3 is 16 times 4, which is 64. And 5 to the power of 3 is 125, but that's over 100, so it won't work. So that's it for n to the power of 3. And then we do n to the power of 4. Two to the power of 4 2 to the power of 4 is 8 times 2, which is 16. 3 to the power of 4 is 27 times 3, which is 81. And 4 to the power of 4 is over 100, so it won't work. And then we do n to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5 is 32. And 3 to the power of 5 is over 100, so that won't work. And then we can try n to the power of 6. So 2 to the power of 6 is 32 times 2, which is 64. And yeah, and then can still try n to the power of 7. So 2 to the power of 7 is over 100, so it won't work because 64 times 2 is over 100. So now we have all these numbers, but some of these numbers are repeats. For example, over here we have 16 and 81, but here we also have 16 and 81. And over here we have 64, but in n squared we also have 64. So we can, and here 64. So we can only count these repeats once. So then the different numbers are 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 8, 27, not 64, and not 16 or 81, but yes, 32, and then not 64 again. Yeah, so in total there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 perfect cubes.